This is the room at the Crowne Plaza Oceanfront Melbourne. Yes. Super nice room. Very oceany. We got the single king room. Comes with a nice little seating area. Very nice. And then you have the TV. Hi, you have Dad in the window, in the mirror. All right, let's go check out the bathroom. Bathrooms are very important. Let's see what we got going on in here. Ooh, very posh. Nice. Ooh, I like the bright white.
Look, it's a slide shower.
Nice. Cool. Ooh, nice artwork in here.
This is the toilet.
Yeah. And there, don't turn off the lights. No, don't do that. Stop it. You're messing with the video.
I messed with the video.
And then you've got your sink.
Yep, classic.
And a lighted mirror. That's super cool.
And toilet paper.
Oh, great. Thanks for pointing that out. All right. Now, the best feature of this room happens to be over here. Outside. So, some of the amenities that the room comes with, we should probably show you that before we get to the outside. So some of the amenities the rooms come with, you get a nice big closet, you get an ironing board and an iron,
and a refrigerator.
And a refrigerator, which we have loaded with some drinks for the beach.
And my Gatorade.
Yes. Oh yeah, we're at the beach, which means we should probably show you the coolest part about this room. We are on the 6th floor, and look at that.
It's lovely.
There is the beach. Right there.
Look, there's so many people down there. They look kind of tiny.
And it's got 2 little chairs out here so we can have some breakfast and coffee in the morning and watch the waves of the ocean. That's our room here at the Oceanfront Crowne Plaza Hotel.
These are my last nights of summer before I go back to school. So in some of the videos you won't see me in some of the videos.
We'll always be in the videos. This is her last weekend before she starts school. So this was her summer vacation last day that we're going to check things out and have an oceanfront vacation for the kiddo before she goes back to school in a day or two. The beach is just steps from the hotel. It's really easy to get to. They do rent chairs and umbrellas, but we bring our own little tent. That's the beach. We had a spot of bad weather, but it cleared up. We're beaching it up. We'll give you guys a little tour of the hotel a little later. But this is an East Coast beach. A little colder, a little rockier, a little wavier, but still the beach. Just a word on the beach there are some big rocks right off the edge, so be careful when you're out there, and the rip current can get pretty strong. Watch your kiddos if you happen to have kiddos with you. The hotel was recently renovated in 2018, and they did a really nice job. It's very modern and clean looking and beachy. They have a marketplace area in the front where you can pick up all kinds of snacks and drinks, and it's pretty cool because you can just kind of like scan your key and go. You don't even need to talk to anybody to do it. Now, parking is not included in your hotel reservation. It's about $10 a day, and it is only self-parking, but parking is close by and easy to access, so that was nice. Wi-Fi is included with your reservation, but we had an issue where we couldn't stream YouTube or even Netflix or any of that kind of stuff on the hotel Wi-Fi. We had to switch to our cell service to be able to use those services. Keep that in mind if you plan on streaming or watching any kind of that content when you come on your vacation.
They do have a business center with computers, so you can print out travel reservations or whatever else you might need to take care of while you're there. The on-site restaurant is called Longboards, and they had a breakfast buffet in the mornings, and they served, beach foods during the day. We got beach food during our stay, and we even ordered pickup for dinner one night, and all of the food honestly was excellent. We enjoyed it quite a bit. I recommend the seafood pasta. A little bit on the pricey side, but we didn't have to go anywhere, and all the food was excellent. Inside the area, I guess they're having some AC issues because they had this weird Frankenstein AC thing going on over there. They also had like a nice seating area out in the lobby with a little table that if you wanted to grab something to eat, you could eat it out here. If you're looking for food, they do have a Starbucks on site, but it's not a full Starbucks. It's just like a little place that might have some of the Starbucks drinks, Starbucks coffees, and you can get some sandwiches and such. We got some food there in the morning, and it was okay. Our breakfast sandwiches were a little cold, but it worked for not having to leave the hotel. Now, the gelato on site was actually quite excellent. We had the salted caramel, and the kiddo had the birthday cake. The pool area is not that large. There's decent amount of seating and chairs for the size of the hotel. It is a 290 room hotel, so a pool this size got really crowded after the beach in the late afternoons when everybody was trying to get away from like the heavier waves and thing that happened during the day. Just off the edge of the pool is a really nice seating area with the restaurant for outdoor eating. They even have live music during the day, and the bands that were there were phenomenal. They were excellent. I really enjoyed the music. The food was excellent. It's a little bit on the high side, but the convenience of not having to go anywhere from the beach and just walk up and get some food is 100% worth it. And you really can't beat that view. It's gorgeous. You are like right off the beach. And it does have a full bar, so you can get any of your alcoholic libations you might be looking for. Would I recommend you stay here? Yeah, I would. Watching the sunrise from your beach balcony was priceless. It was worth actually every penny of it. The hotel was clean, the staff was friendly, the food was good. We just had a good time. We enjoyed the decor of the room. It's super beachy. You really feel like you're on a beach vacation. And spring for the balcony room, you have to get it. Look at that view. We had some issues. Like a towel bar that kept falling off. The hot water in the room wasn't super hot all the time. And we had to wait for towels by the pool a couple times. But you know what? The manager totally made it right. We didn't even ask, and he gave us drink tickets for the inconvenience of having to wait on towels. The staff went above and beyond. Downside is the size of the pool. I would have really liked a little bit bigger pool, but you're there for the beach, so it wasn't a big deal. Have I mentioned that you should get the Oceanfront balcony room? The sunrise was amazing. We got up for it, and so happy we did. It's a great resort. We enjoyed our time, and we think you probably will too. As you guys know, even when Dad didn't record the actual outro that he doesn't record at the resort, he still doesn't do outros. So that's it.